Have you ever been caught in a situation where you need to pay for something quickly, but you don't have enough cash on hand? Or maybe you're tired of carrying around a bulky wallet full of cards. Today, I'm going to show you how to activate your GrabPay wallet, a convenient and secure way to make payments on the go. Imagine you're late for a meeting and need to grab a quick coffee. You're running out of time and the only coffee shop nearby doesn't accept cards. What do? With GrabPay, you can simply tap your phone and pay instantly, no cash or cards required. Benefits of GrabPay. Convenience, pay for anything, anywhere with just a tap of your phone. Security, your GrabPay wallet is protected by advanced security features. Rewards, earn points and rewards for your purchases. How to activate GrabPay wallet. Download the Grab app. If you haven't already, download the Grab app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account. Sign up for a Grab account using your email address or phone number. Verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Add funds to your GrabPay wallet. You can add funds to your wallet using your bank account, credit card, or cash at GrabPay top-up centers. Step-by-step guide. Open the Grab app. Tap on the wallet icon. Tap Add Money. Choose your preferred method to add funds. Enter the amount you want to add. Confirm. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the transaction. Tips for using GrabPay. Link your GrabPay card. For more convenience, link your GrabPay card to your phone's wallet. Check your balance. Regularly check your GrabPay balance to ensure you have enough funds. Take advantage of promotions. Grab often offers promotions and discounts for GrabPay users. GrabPay is a convenient and secure way to make payments on the go. By following the simple steps outlined in this video, you can easily activate your GrabPay wallet and start enjoying the benefits. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.